If you're looking for a reliable, portable power source for your outdoor adventures or home emergencies, the GRECELL 500W portable power station with its included 100-watt solar panel might be exactly what you need. This unit promises to keep your devices charged and running when you are away from the grid. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's dive into the core power capabilities and the versatility this GRECELL unit brings to the table for all your charging needs. The GRECELL 500W power station provides a substantial 519.48 watt-hour capacity, making it capable of running essential devices for extended periods. Its 500 watts of continuous AC power and a variety of other ports ensure you can charge many different types of electronics simultaneously. The continuous 500 watts of output power and 1000 watt peak capacity means it handles most small appliances and electronics easily. With a 519.48 watt-hour battery, you get a substantial power reserve suitable for extended use during outages or camping trips. This power station really shines with its 10 diverse output ports, covering everything from AC appliances to fast-charging USB devices and even wireless charging. The included 100-watt monocrystalline solar panel offers highly efficient recharging, ensuring you can harness the sun's power effectively when off-grid. This power station delivers a solid performance for its class, highlighted by a great selection of output ports and efficient solar charging capabilities. Next, we're looking at the design considerations, important safety features, and the overall value proposition of this GRECELL portable power station. This power station comes in a black and green color scheme, with dimensions that suggest a compact form factor. It prioritizes safety through its advanced battery management system, crucial for protecting your devices and the unit itself. The bundled solar panel significantly enhances its value, making it a comprehensive power solution. While we have the dimensions, the absence of a stated weight makes judging its real-world portability for travel or hiking a little difficult. The integrated smart battery management system offers comprehensive protection features, which is essential for safe and reliable long-term operation. Considering the current price of $289.99, getting both a capable power station and a high-efficiency 100-watt solar panel represents excellent value for money. Key specifications like the exact battery chemistry beyond just lithium, and, more importantly, the unit's weight, are not fully detailed. While it scores high on safety and value, the lack of complete portability details is a notable drawback for this portable power station. Overall, the GRECELL 500 watts portable power station bundled with the 100 watts solar panel delivers a compelling package for anyone needing reliable off-grid power. It offers a strong balance of capacity, diverse output options, and excellent safety features. While key portability details like weight remain unclear, the current pricing makes this a very attractive option for campers, road trippers, and for emergency home backup power needs.